Did you know that making small changes to your daily diet can lead to big results in your weight loss journey? It's often the little things that make the biggest difference. It's true. By focusing on what you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you can take control of your health and reach your goals. Each meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and fuel your day. Losing weight doesn't have to be about strict rules and deprivation. You don't need to follow a rigid diet plan to see results. Instead, it's about making smart choices that nourish your body and satisfy your taste buds. Enjoying what you eat is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This essay will be your guide to delicious and healthy meals from breakfast to dinner. You'll find tips and recipes that are easy to follow and enjoyable to eat. Get ready to discover a world of flavors that will keep you feeling energized and satisfied all day long. From savory to sweet, there's something for everyone. Remember, every small step counts, and together, we can make this journey a success. With the support of a community, your goals are within reach. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. A healthy breakfast jumpstarts your metabolism, gives you energy, and sets the tone for a day of healthy eating. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and a sprinkle of nuts. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. Eggs are another fantastic breakfast option, packed with protein and essential nutrients. Scramble them up with some spinach and tomatoes for a delicious and nutritious meal. If you're short on time, a quick smoothie made with yogurt, fruit, and spinach is a great way to get your day started. Lunchtime is a great opportunity to refuel your body with a balanced meal that will keep you going all afternoon. Aim to include a good source of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats in your lunch. A big, colorful salad with grilled chicken or fish is an excellent choice. Loaded up with plenty of leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Another great option is a whole wheat wrap filled with lean protein, hummus, and veggies. For a satisfying and comforting meal, try a bowl of lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. Remember to listen to your body's hunger cues and choose portions that leave you feeling satisfied but not overly full. Section 4. Dinner Time Delights, Nourishing Your Body. After a long day, dinner is a time to relax and enjoy a nourishing meal with your family or loved ones. It's a moment to unwind, share stories, and connect over delicious food. Opt for light and nutritious options that won't weigh you down before bedtime. These meals can help you feel satisfied without feeling overly full. Baked or grilled fish is an excellent choice for dinner. It's not only tasty but also packed with essential nutrients. Salmon, tuna, and cod are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. These fatty acids can help reduce inflammation and improve overall cardiovascular function. Pair your fish with a side of roasted vegetables, such as broccoli, asparagus, or Brussels sprouts. These veggies are high in fiber and vitamins, making your meal well-rounded and nutritious. Chicken breast is another lean protein option that is versatile and easy to prepare. It's perfect for those who prefer poultry over seafood. Try grilling, baking, or stir-frying chicken with your favorite vegetables and spices. This method allows you to experiment with different flavors and textures. For a vegetarian option, try a lentil stew or a tofu stir-fry. These dishes are rich in plant-based proteins and can be just as satisfying as meat-based meals. Remember to keep your portions in check and savor each bite. Eating mindfully can enhance your dining experience and help you appreciate the flavors and textures of your meal. Section 5. Snack Smart. Bridging the gap between meals. Snacking can be a healthy part of your weight loss journey. It's all about choosing snacks that provide your body with nutrients and energy between meals. Reach for snacks that are high in protein and fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied. A handful of almonds, a piece of fruit, or a small container of Greek yogurt are all great options. Other healthy snack ideas include vegetable sticks with hummus, rice cakes with peanut butter, or a hard-boiled egg. Remember to keep your snack portions small and avoid mindless snacking. Section 6. Portion Control and Balanced Nutrition. The keys to success. Portion control and balanced nutrition are essential for weight loss success. It's not just about eating less, but about eating right. By paying attention to how much you eat and ensuring that your meals are balanced, you can achieve your goals and maintain a healthy weight in the long run. This means being mindful of the nutrients your body needs. When it comes to portion control, a good rule of thumb is to fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with complex carbohydrates. This simple guideline can make a big difference. Use smaller plates to help you control your portions visually. Smaller plates can trick your brain into feeling satisfied with less food. Balanced nutrition is all about consuming a variety of foods from all food groups. Each group provides different essential nutrients that your body needs to function properly. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats in your diet. These foods not only help with weight loss, but also improve overall health. Remember that consistency is key. It's not about perfection, but about making healthier choices more often than not. By making healthy choices most of the time, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant results over time.